It is Botox day, and I'm going to bring you along. And I'm going to be getting Botox in my forehead, right here, and my crow's feet. That's why I have no makeup on. So I am in the car. I brought my photographer with me, super handsome. Say hi to the people. So I will see you at the office.
For documentation.
I'm like sweating underneath my mask.
Can you hold your viewable here for me so that there's no bangs?
Okay.
Lift forehead for me. And then frown for me.
I know, it's so weird.
And then this, let's put it down. Let us smile for me. That's your widest smile. Smile for me. All right.
And I'm like so sweaty underneath my mask.
What are you thinking right now?
I'm just thinking about how sweaty I am. So I had to film this ending because I lost some footage from the beginning of the video, and where my aesthetic nurse, Catherine, she talks about the different types of Botox, the different places you can use Botox, not only in your face, but your body. So if you have any questions about Botox, the different types of Botox, I know she used Xeomin, I think that's how you pronounce it, on me, and it's the purest form of Botox. I think there's 4 different, but if you have any questions, leave them down below and I will do my best to answer your questions. And if I don't know, I will definitely get Catherine involved, and she has a wealth of information. She'd be happy to answer your questions. And also, if you are in the Hawaii, Oahu area and you would like an appointment with Catherine, I will leave all the information in the description box below. She has an Instagram, which not only she's an aesthetic nurse, but she is an avid TikToker. So if you want to give her a follow, I will also put that information down in the description box. I would follow Ali'i Nani on Instagram because they are a wealth of information. And yeah, so these are my results here. These are my final 2-week results. I will put a picture of my resting face probably right here. That way you can tell the difference, like how much smoother my face is just resting. And then even if I move, like I still have movement, but I had really harsh L7s. I had harsh lines here, and I had the crow's feet, and there's no more. So it's wonderful. I absolutely love it. It looks so much softer. I look so much softer. So I definitely would do it again. And depending on how fast my body metabolizes the Botox will depend on how long my Botox will last. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.